Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make monster cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and you want that softened to room temperature. A half a cup of a Wowbutter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and you want that packed. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 3-ounce box of instant vanilla pudding mix or any other flavor that you like, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of some kind of chocolate chips. I'm using the milk chocolate. And then optional is a half a cup of sprinkles, which of course I found these adorable Halloween sprinkles, and then candy eyes. Let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 350 and line 1 or 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper and set them to the side. In a large bowl, we're going to cream together the butter, Wowbutter, and brown sugar with an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Next, go ahead and mix in the vanilla, the egg, and the milk. Now we are going to mix in our vanilla packet, just dry as it is. Now mix in the baking soda. Now we're going to slowly add in our flour a little bit at a time, mixing it in between each addition. That looks good. I did as much as I could with my mixer, and then I just used a spatula and my hands to really incorporate the dough together. So next we're going to fold in our chocolate chips, our sprinkles, and then just leave your eyes out because you'll just add those to the cookies after they're done baking. That looks great, and it's well incorporated and looks so cute. So you want your cookies to be about 2 tablespoon size each because they are going to be pretty big cookies. So go ahead and do that and put them on your prepared pan. Alright, my first batch is ready to go into the oven, but now we have to do one more thing. We have to press them down with the crisscross shapes like you do on other Wowbutter and peanut butter cookies. You need to be kind of gentle when you do that part because you do not want your cookies to break apart. So I just kind of pushed mine back together with using my hands and then maybe flattened them a little bit. So if you are happy with the way they look right now, that is fine. Or if you want to add more sprinkles before you pop them into the oven, that's fine. But we're going to bake these for 8 to 12 minutes until they're no longer glossy on the top. My first batch of cookies is out of the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and add my eyes right now while they're still warm. You just want to put 2 eyes somewhere on the cookie if you want to. Alright, some of my cookies are cooling off here. These just came out of the oven. I put the eyes on. With this third batch, I went ahead and just really worked the dough with my hands. And then instead of the crisscross with the fork, I just pressed it down with my hand. And then I just went along the edges to really make sure that they don't crumble as much. I don't know if that's going to help. But I think the crumbly kind of almost adds to the monster effect. But we'll see how this batch turns out. It's my last one. My little monster cookies are all cooled off and ready to go. They said to let them cool on the pan completely before moving them, but I just let them cool about 10 minutes and then moved them to a cooling rack to cool completely, and they turned out so cute. Cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, everyone, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.